I wonder if he'll say that Willis thing. Maybe I'll ask. I bet he likes that. Would you please sign my petition?
I'm sorry.
You look, just sign the stupid petition. I've got stuff to do.
Okay, I guess that sounds pretty good.
Thanks.
Sweet.
Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
Sorry, yo.
Shit. Sign my petition, damn it.
I'm down.
Thanks. Would you please sign my petition?
I'm sorry.
You gotta be fucking... Look, just sign the stupid petition. I've got stuff to do.
Okay, I guess that sounds pretty good.
Thanks. Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
No way, you freaking pinko.
Shit. Sign my petition, damn it.
No way, you freaking pinko.
You gotta be fucking... Would you please sign my petition?
No way, you freaking pinko.
Shit, look, just sign the stupid petition. I've got stuff to do.
No way, you freaking pinko.
You gotta be fucking kidding. Hi there, would you like to sign my petition? Would you please sign my petition? Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
I'm sorry.
Shit, sign my petition, damn it.
Okay, I guess that sounds pretty good.
Thanks. Would you please sign my petition?
Okay.
Hi
I
there,
guess
would
that
you like to
sounds pretty
sign my
good.
petition? Thanks. Would you please sign my petition? Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
Okay, I guess that sounds pretty good.
Thanks. Would you please sign my petition? Hi there, would you like to sign my petition?
I feel like shit.
Would you please sign my petition?
I'm sorry.
You gotta be fuck. Look, just sign the stupid petition. I've got stuff to do.
The...
Sign my petition, damn it.
Okay, I guess that sounds pretty good.
And done.
Do I know you?
Burn a book. Save a tree. Burn a book.
You probably thought you weren't gonna die today. Surprise.
I can help you over here.
Hola.
Hello. Is this everything?
As far as you know.
Hey, watch it.
That'll be 20.
Let's see. That should cover it.
Oh man, I'm gonna hurt.
Sweet Lord, no!
Oof, chapete. Oh my God.
Sucks to be you. What?
Oh no, please don't hurt me. Please, please no. Don't snub me, man, come on. Ah! Eh!
Idiot. One side. Coming through. Here, you forgot one. Sucks to be you.
Get the fuck down.
Somebody get an ambulance. Ugh, idiot. Hey, watch it. Call the Navy. Ah! You got an issue? Ah! Look out. Ugh, idiot. Somebody get an ambulance. Ah!
Ow! Hey, watch it!
Coming through.
You're not the boss of me.
Maybe I should keep that. I think I need that. Maybe I should keep that. I think I need that.
Please
Maybe I
make
should
it
keep
stop.
that. I think I need that. Maybe I should keep that.
Oh man.
I'm out of here.
Get down if you don't want to die.
Hi.
Hi there.
There's a late fee on this.
Kick ass.
Okay. I hope the bitch appreciates the trouble I went to.
Finally, it's about time you showed up. Sorry I'm late. Somebody blew up my car. Let's burn some books.
find more of that good stuff. That's the one. Definitely need more. Ah, that's the stuff. I know what you're thinking, but the funny thing is, I don't even like video games. I know what you're thinking, but the funny thing is, I don't even like video games. I definitely need more of that. Can we all just get along? Guess not. I better watch out for those guys from now on.
Goddamn cat. You still here?
You probably thought you weren't gonna die today. Surprise.
Get the hell out of here, you lunatic! Ah! Get out, you freak!
Damn it.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Coleman. I love facts of life. You ever do that leather Tuscadero chick?
Thanks. You can leave now.
It's from my mother, I swear.
Yeah, sure it is. If I see you selling this on eBay, I will come to your house and kick your narrow ass.
Close enough.
Get down or I'll put you down.
Get the fuck on the ground. Get on the ground. Get the fuck on. Get down.
This is the police. Send out the former child actor. We have a warrant for his arrest.
Go back to the donut convention. I ain't going nowhere.
We're serious. Send Gary out now and nobody gets hurt.
Lieutenant Grossman tried to warn us.
I'm not going to the joint.
Look out, Jeff. Coming through.
Bring it on!
Ow. So that's what that feels like. I feel better already. I gotta find more of that good stuff. Shit. Shit. I feel better already.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Gotta get out of here. You got a problem? Coming through. Next. Oh my god.
Bless me, Father, for I have really sinned. Really? I'm not kidding here. Big sinner. Yep.
Did you drop an offering in the box?
Yes.
Then you are forgiven, my son. Next.
Thanks. Close enough. Time to head home.
What are you talking about? If it was up your ass, you'd know. Hey, buddy, if you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Holy shit! We reclaim this holy land in the name of Allah. Prepare to die, infidels. Come out, my peaceful brethren. It's time to deliver an ass-whooping of biblical proportions. You pajama-wearing pagans.
I'm going to be sick.
Shit. I feel better. Ow. My meds. You weren't gonna die today. Surprise. This can't be good for me, but I feel great. Ow. Excuse me while I push my intros back in. Don't crowd, there's plenty for everyone. Ooh, mommy. That's the ticket.
Oh, man.
Ooh, that's gotta hurt.
One side. Look out. You don't want to die.
You probably think I'm not a nice person. You go, girl. Have a nice day. I definitely need more of that.